In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard icon at the top of your keyboard and paste your text by tapping on it here. If you want to pin it, use this pin at the top right corner. Click on your text and select Done. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, click on pin icon next to the pin one, select your text and hit delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, use this keyboard icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!